sign thingy. Oh, we're gonna try not to get wrecked because I kind of like my balls. Find the rest of that deer skull. There's a fence. Don't cross that. See what kind of cool stuff we got down here under this river. Oh. I understand why I always look like a drunken pirate. Huh. Really interesting. It's part of the skull. It's like a couple of them. So we should just kind of meander. Huh. Found a fancy thing. Underside of the river. Kind of nice and peaceful. Nothing really major. A crap ton of bones over here. Huh. And right there, we have 3 lines. No other vandalism, no other graffiti. Oh.